I'm here at a villa at 4932 Umber Way in Carrollwood. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 1-car garage attached. It's a really spacious, private lanai area. And then beyond this, you also have a small private yard. This is low maintenance right now, but if you desired, you could get into some gardening or whatnot over here. And certainly if you have pets, this is a great space to let the dogs out. Let's go take a look inside. There's no CDD here. It is in a really fantastic location, real close to Citrus Park Mall. Just coming into the front room. There's not even a light on in this living room. There's a beautiful skylight up there. Nice vaulted ceilings. It's really spacious, great room. Wood-burning fireplace. And French doors to outside. We came through this door, but there are French doors here. We come back here, and this is the formal dining room. Really nice, comfortable sized room. In the kitchen, we got granite countertops, wall oven, dishwasher. It's a cooktop, microwave, refrigerator. All of the appliances stay. That's the pantry closet, and right there is under the stairs storage. There's tons of storage here. You will not want for storage. We're headed to the master bedroom. So even though there is a loft area, this really lives like a single-story home because almost everything is downstairs besides the 3rd bedroom up in the loft. So here's the master bath with double sinks. And there is a tub shower here. The master bedrooms are really nice size, and vaulted ceilings in here as well, and another skylight. Those are sliders to get out to that lovely patio. And this is the smaller of the 2 closets. Still a pretty nice size, like a double closet. I love this little reading nook here. And there's some storage under that bench as well. And then this is the big closet. Plenty of space. This is the 2nd bedroom here. And a nice double closet. Then here's another bathroom, another full bath. Tub and shower, and a linen closet. And then the 3rd bedroom is the only part of the home that's upstairs. These are nice, comfortable stairs as well, not these breakneck stairs. Nice and wide. Essentially 3 landings going up. And this is just really huge room. Part of it is closed off, the rest is open. You could have a bed and TV over there and then use the rest as a sitting area. And this overlooks the great room. It's got a huge closet. And beyond the closet, we've got a really nice attic access. Plenty of space here. Plenty of space. And that is this great villa on Umber Way. Message me for details.